नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाके सर. आज आपण इंग्रजीच्या या भागामध्ये इयत्ता 10वी मधील इंग्रजी विषयातील 2.1 यू स्टार्ट डाईंग स्लोली या कवितेचे प्रश्नोत्तरांचा भाग पाहणार आहोत. वॉर्मिंग अप चिट-चॅट. क्वेश्चन 1. Assuming A, B, C, D as speakers, ask the assigned questions in your groups and discuss. Question 1A 1. If you do not study well, what will happen? Answer 1. There are total 3 answers for each question. 1. I will not get good marks in examination. 2. I will be blamed for neglecting studies. 3. I may fail in the examination. Second question. If you do not participate in school activities, answer 1. I will not be called a sociable student. Answer 2. I will lose my opportunity to gain importance. And answer 3. I will not be active. यापुढील प्रश्न बी 1. If you wake up late on the working day, answer 1. I will miss school morning. Answer 2. I will feel dull and lazy. Answer 3. I will lose best hours of life. 2. If you ignore a friend in need, answer 1. Other friends will lose their faith in me. Answer 2. I shall face big emotional loss. And answer 3. Many will blame me for my betrayal. Next, C. If you do not exercise regularly, what will happen? Answer 1. I will suffer from obesity. Answer 2. I will not feel energetic and active. Answer 3. I will not stay healthy and fit physically. Question D. If you eat too much junk food, what will happen? Answer 1. I may lose my immunity. Answer 2. I will not be able to live active life. And answer 3. I will have to spend a lot of my health problems. Next, things I can do in my life for my nation. 1. Keep my locality clean. 2. Obey the laws. 3. Express patriotism through deeds. And 4. Help our government in war and peace. Next, for my family. 1. Keep house clean and tidy. 2. Protect cultural heritage. 3. Take care of elders. And 4. Preserve dignity of family. Next, for my friends. 1. Help them in their need. 2. Wait for them. 3. Share their good and bad days. And 4. Support them in their ventures. Next, for old people. 1. Take care of them. 2. Look after their health. 3. Help them in their needs. And 4. Keep them happy. Next, for the needy. 1. Help them in need. 2. Identify their needs. 3. Support them. 4. Share their miseries. For myself, 1. Take exercise. 2. Study well. 3. Dream high. And fourth one, pray to God. These are the things I can do in my life. Next, complete the following web and write a paragraph. Topic is my wish. Points are given there. 1. Travel in space. 2. Land and walk on the moon. 3. Go into orbit round the earth. And 4th, take off to moon, Mars and Venus. Answer. Space travel, my wish. The invention of rockets, satellites, and spaceships have opened the gates of the space travel. Since I read about the accomplishment of the astronauts of different countries, I had my secret wish of space traveling. I don't know when and how it will realize, but I do wish to travel to space. First, I wish to go into the orbit around the Earth. Then I shall emerge from the capsule and still tied to my space vehicle. I shall walk in space. I shall move about in space with the help of the space gun. Then I wish to land on the different planets. My first visit will be the moon, of course. Then, waiting and taking rest on a space station built by scientists and engineers, I shall travel to nearby planets. I shall visit Mars, Venus, Jupiter, etc. For that, I shall travel by shuttle rockets service between the Earth and the space stations, and from the space station to my any other planet of my wish. I shall enjoy different weather, land, food, and aliens. if it all there exists there, what a marvelous travel it will be. Now, next question, it is margin question. Question number 1. What things can lead to slow death? Answer: not traveling, to ignore reading, not listening the sounds of the life, underestimating ourselves, killing self-esteem, becoming slaves of our habit, walking on the same path, not to change routine, not to wear different colors, not speaking to unknown people. These things can lead us to slow death. Question number 2. What is that makes life worth living? Give 4 points. Answer: the following points make life worth living. Point number 1. If you travel wherever you want. 2. If you listen to the sounds of life. 3. If you change your routine. And 4th, if you are ready to take any risk courageously. Next, 3. The poet has left the last stanza incomplete. What line will you add to complete it? Answer: added line will be: you will lose your hope of happy future. Next, English workshop. Question 1. Read the different messages in the poem given below. Choose one that suits that poem best. A. Face life whatever it may give you. B. Fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled desires. C. Be yourself and do what your heart tells you. D. Accept all possible changes or risks that you have taken. And E. Keeping your self esteem intact, just try to relax in life. Answer: be yourself and do what your heart tells you. Now, next question 2. State the following. A. Theme or central idea of the poem. Answer: theme or central idea of this poem is that our life must follow and renew itself at every moment of its being. When we enrich ourselves with new knowledge, wide experience, fresh emotions, daring encounters, and exciting challenges, then only we live our life fully. If we live stagnant, repetitive, or conventional life, we start dying slowly. Next, B. Lines that provides evidence of the theme. Answer: if you do not change your life, you start dying slowly. C. Three characteristics from the poem that makes a person dull and uninteresting. Answer: the three characteristics from the poem that makes one dull and uninteresting are: 1. Becoming a slave of your habit. 2. Not going with fresh emotion. And 3. Not facing exciting, risky challenges. Next question 3. Pick out 4 adjectives from the poem and write down with the nouns they describe. 1. Turbulent emotion. 2. Sensible advice. 3. Same path. And 4. Different colors. Next question 5. What expression is repeated in this poem? How many times? Why do you think the poet emphasizes it? Answer: the expression "if you do not" is repeated in this poem. It has been repeated for 12 times in the beginning of the line in the poem. The poet emphasizes it because he wants to urge strongly to read the poem and stress the things that we should not do. Next, question number 6. Write the opposite of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. A. You do not travel. Answer: you should travel as much as you can. B. You do not appreciate yourself. Answer: you should appreciate yourself. C. You kill your self esteem. Answer: you should keep up your self esteem. D. You become a slave of habits. Answer: you don't become a slave of habits. E. You refuse to speak to strangers. Answer: you should speak to strangers. F. You do not change your life. Answer: you should change your life. G. You refuse to take a risk. Answer: you should always be ready to take a risk. Next, question number 7. Go through the following steps and discuss in pairs about the facts mentioned in it. Write a paragraph using the points Give another interesting title. Answer. Title. Life is blessing. Nobody can tell the satisfactory definition of life, but everybody knows its value. Life teaches us many things. We get some good as well as some bad experiences in life. When we get good experiences, we become happy, and when bad, we become nervous. We should possess good habits in our life. Negative thoughts may distract us from achieving our goal. We should not be the victim of bad habits. Positive thoughts make a person enthusiastic. A person should always be positive. We should have faith on ourselves. We could do the things fearlessly. The things which please us should be given preference. We should enjoy our work. An optimistic person is always a lifelong learner. We should try to enrich our mind. By reading, we can gather a lot of knowledge and information. Reading sharpens our thoughts. It is said that if you read, you will survive. Hence, we should read the various types of literatures. We have to share our thoughts with knowledgeable people. If we are sharing and caring, the people admire us. We can make his or her life enjoyable by maintaining healthy and strong relationship with others. We should be humble in our attitude and behavior. If we want to enjoy life, we could begin each and every day having smile on the face. We should give respect, love, care and our helping hand to the needy. If we help the poor and needy, we get the reward from the life in the form of blessings. Next, question B. Complete the following table with the things in your life which help you to change your habits and routine. If I do this, 1. If I travel, I shall widen my worldly knowledge and experience. 2. If I read, I shall be wise and knowledgeable. 3. If I change my bad habits, I shall lead a gentle and civilized life. 4. If I play continuously on a mobile phone, I shall miss the pleasure of playing outdoor games. If I don't make friends, answer, I shall live dull and solitary life. Next, question number 9. Everyone needs inspiration to move ahead or make progress in our life. There are some things which inspire us to live better. What are those things? Answer. 1. Stories. 2. Dreams. 3. Motivation. 4. Role model. 5. Support. 6. Courage. These are some things which inspire us to live better. Next, question 10. Complete the web diagrams with words that go with their topics: turbulent, storm, weather, crowd, condition, sea waves and water. Next, glistening, eyes, glass, hair, fish, diamond and wet street. Next word, sensible, advice, picture, idea, story, dialogue and deal. Next, question 11. Write about a day when you felt very happy. Use the questions given on coursebook page number 45-46 to help you. Write a short paragraph of about 100 words. Give a suitable title. Answer. My first ride. I still remember the day when I learnt how to ride a two-wheeler. It was 20th June 2021. I was just 12 years old at that time. My father had a two-wheeler. I was very passionate to ride a bike, but my father told me that I could not handle the bike. One day, stealthily, I took the key of the bike and dragged the bike out of the gate. At first, I faced difficulties, but later I rode the bike. I rode the bike on the open playground. I learned how to balance the bike. By the afternoon, I could ride the bike properly. When my father saw me having a ride on the bike, he was very shocked. He called me near to him and patted me. My neighbors also saw and congratulated me. I could not believe that I learned to ride a bike. I was so happy that I offered a small party to my friends. I saw an old man going to the market. I dropped him in the market. He thanked me. When I returned to my home, my mother suggested me not to ride a bike with full speed. I was really overwhelmed by riding the bike. Next, question 12. Use internet or any book to write 4 inspirational or motivational quotes related to the messages in the poem. Answer 1. Be simple and strong. Use strength in the service of society. 2. Evil communication corrupt good manners. 3. There is no distress but ignorance. Fourth, a day of the learned is longer than the life of the ignorant. And fifth one, variety is the spice of life.